Exploring the elegance of strings, understanding Sul Tasto Bowing. Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we're going to delve into the beautiful world of string instruments, specifically focusing on a unique technique known as Sul Tasto Bowing. This technique, used by violinists, violists, cellists, and double bass players, adds a distinctive, ethereal sound to music. Whether you're a budding musician, a seasoned professional, or simply a music enthusiast, understanding the nuances of this technique will add depth to your appreciation of string music. Sul Tasto Bowing is a technique where the player bows over the fingerboard of the string instrument. This area is softer and less dense compared to the rest of the instrument, resulting in a gentle, airy sound. The term Sul Tasto is Italian for on the fingerboard, highlighting the position where the bow interacts with the strings. When a musician plays Sul Tasto, the sound produced is delicate and flute-like, with a reduced volume and a softer tone. This technique is often used to convey a sense of mystery or tenderness in the music. Unlike regular bowing, which produces a rich and resonant sound, Sul Tasto Bowing offers a dreamy, whisper-like quality that can evoke a wide range of emotions in the listener. Sul Tasto Bowing is not meant for every piece of music. It's typically used in sections that require a subtle, nuanced expression. To execute Sul Tasto, 1. Lighten the bow pressure on the strings. 2. Move the bow closer to the fingerboard. 3. Maintain a steady, controlled bow speed to ensure the sound remains consistent. Musicians must balance the bow's weight and speed to achieve the desired whispery effect without losing the pitch or clarity of the note. Sul Tasto Bowing is a testament to the expressive range of string instruments, allowing musicians to paint with sound and evoke deep emotions. This technique, subtle yet powerful, reminds us of the intricate beauty that music holds. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of Sul Tasto Bowing. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the music speak to your soul. See you in the next lesson.